Tonight at Glory Collision 9, all eyes are on a massive light heavyweight Grand Prix clash as Bahram Rajabzadeh faces Mohamed Touchassie in Rotterdam, Netherlands. Rajabzadeh enters the tournament as one of the most feared knockout artists in kickboxing, boasting an incredible 65 knockouts in his career. But standing in his way is the young and dangerous Mohamed Touchassie, a rising Moroccan star determined to shock the world. The tension between these two fighters has been building for days, with heated exchanges and intense stare-downs creating plenty of drama before fight night. This isn't just another fight. The winner moves one step closer to becoming Glory's next light heavyweight world champion and must continue fighting later tonight in the tournament. Will Bahram's devastating power prove too much, or can Touchassie announce himself as the division's new king? The answer comes tonight inside the Glory ring. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest fight results, highlights, and post-fight analysis.